Hi, I'm Andrew. This is my house. Got a leak where this roof that I'm standing on that is on top of my garage, where it meets up to the rest of the house. You can tell from looking underneath in the last rainstorm that water's starting to come in right about here in this area. So we're going to work on this today and see if we can't get that fixed. Product we're going to try, we got from Menards. I know it's probably hard to read there because this camera inverts everything, but it's called Ultima Clear Leak Repair and Patching Kit. The instructions say to lay down an 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick coat of the resin, and then it's got a fabric you lay over top of the resin. So here's some of the tools that I brought up here with me to use. And we're going to see if we can't get that fixed. I'm going to do a little review of what we got going on as we do it. Okay, we're ripping this bottom. We're peeling the siding out a little bit, ripping this bottom drip edge out of the way. Now if you see what some genius did, they ran nails down in the bottom. That's going to create leaks. This was not installed properly. It's a big part of our problem. Okay, what we've done now is, well, we braced it up with some boards. Some of them just fell, but we're just gonna peel the siding back enough to where we can get in there with our epoxy. Starting to rain out here, so we'll see what we can get done. There's still some caulk. Alright. Well, went ahead and did the other side as well. Got it all cleaned out. Tried to get it as dry as possible. This stuff does say you need it to be as dry as possible, but it will adhere in wet weather. So we're going to go ahead and mix up some of this stuff and start trying to apply it. Alright, this is as good as it's going to get with the amount of epoxy that it came with. If I had more epoxy, I'd lather it on there even better. But this will hopefully set up. Cure to it. We can put the siding back down. So we'll see what happens.